Looking to replace your cracked or damaged Samsung refrigerator shelf DA97-20647A? Then, the Tomato Man upgraded DA97-20647A refrigerator glass shelf replacement could be a perfect fit. This shelf is a clear upgrade. It promises durability. It also offers compatibility. Specifically, it works with several Samsung models. These include 27 trillion rupees 5200 steradian AH and 28 rupees a 500 ASR. Furthermore, it fits 27 trillion rupees 5201 steradian AH and 27 trillion rupees 5561 steradian AH. Also, it's good for 27 trillion rupees 5200 SG. Installing it feels like breathing new life into your fridge. This tempered glass shelf is strong. It's truly built to last. Moreover, this replacement shelf is a welcome addition. It handles daily use well. Unlike some original shelves, it feels robust. It supports various items, for instance, drinks, condiments, and leftovers. The clear glass design is neat. It allows light to pass through. Consequently, you can see everything easily. Think of it as a clear window. It helps you organize better. It's an essential part. Your fridge becomes more functional. It improves your kitchen experience. This Samsung refrigerator shelf DA97-20647A is a smart choice. Therefore, if your old shelf is a burden, consider this upgrade. It offers good value. It also brings peace of mind. The installation is straightforward. You simply slide it in. No special tools are needed. Furthermore, the fit is snug. It doesn't rattle. Overall, this Tomato Man shelf is a solid replacement. It makes your Samsung refrigerator shelf DA97-20647A usable again. It's an investment in convenience. Ultimately, it's a bright spot for your appliance. Pros: installed easily, fit perfectly, perfect fit, matched the other shelves perfect, came as described, good quality glass, measurements are as advertised, well made, shipping was lightning fast, great price, shelf is beautiful features. Brand: Tomato Man, part number DA97-20647A. Product type: glass shelf, appliance, refrigerator. Compatibility: Samsung fridge, shelf position. Upper, material, tempered glass, easy to install, durable replacement, improved design. This is a durable, easy to install glass shelf. It's an upgraded replacement for Samsung refrigerators. The part number is DA97-20647A. It fits many Samsung models, like the 27 trillion rupees 5200 steradian AH. This is a top shelf made of strong tempered glass. This replacement glass shelf for Samsung refrigerators. The Tomato Man upgraded DA97-20647A is a great choice if you need a new upper shelf. Customers found that it was easy to install and fit perfectly in their fridges, matching the other shelves well. The shelf is made of good quality tempered glass, and its measurements are accurate. It's also well made and looks nice. Plus, many reviewers noted the fast shipping and great price.